Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to compare the Monin French vanilla syrup, which is what I like, to the DaVinci, which is what my local grocery store stocks. So I've already put the Monin in my first batch of frothed milk, 4 ounces of milk, 4 teaspoons of Monin. I'm going to put that in this cup. I'm just using a coffee cup here as a, just as a container to hold it in. And we'll do the second one on camera. Meanwhile, there's espresso brewing in the Moka Pot. Again, if you want to see the whole process on camera, go to my number 2 video in this topic, which is the first one where I actually attempted anything on camera. So, we'll do the DaVinci this time. So, 4 ounces of milk, which is up to the bottom fill line in the frother. Here's the DaVinci French vanilla. Now, having tried them in the past, I felt like the Monin was smoother and more subtle, and the DaVinci tasted a little more chemical. But I've never tried them under this. That was with regular coffee, and it wasn't with espresso and frothed milk and all of the good stuff that we're doing now that I'm in the process of learning how to do. So let's put that on the frother and check on the Moka Pot over here. It's just starting to brew the coffee. So now we wait. Let's get 2 cups together. Moka Pot's almost done. Yep, it's done. I hear the bubbling. So let's put. This is essentially like a. I feel like there's a chance they're not quite even. Let me try to look on camera a little bit. Yeah, this one got a tad more. I know I could measure them. Hold on, let me look off camera. Okay, so first let's put the Monin in this one. All the froth out of there. And let's put the DaVinci in this one. I wouldn't always stir it, but since I want to make sure I get okay, let's try the Monin first. Interesting. I think in this format, which is with the espresso and the frothed milk, I actually like the DaVinci better. The last time I tried these two side by side was not on camera, and it was for my iced coffee. And I don't know what specifically I liked better. I just know that the Monin was better suited to the iced coffee. But in this case, the Monin is sweeter. And I don't need it to be as sweet. This one has just as much vanilla flavor without being as sweet. So I think in this case, I'll keep the DaVinci around. Okay, well that's today's coffee syrup test unless I feel like doing another one.